Welcome back, man, to Alphamantraining.com, and we're really happy that some of you have sent, reports how you seduce girls. So one guy sent two pictures of how he seduced 33 years old women. So one photo how he's applying AMT systems. She's now placing her hands against the wall. He's from behind and executing AMT systems. It's really awesome. And on second photo, he's fucking her. She's lying on the down and he's fucking her. On the first photo, it's actually very hard to say her age, and it would be nice if you would send more pictures, to determine, her real age. So definitely, if you can send more pictures and write the report, for example, or write the report of what happened. We will delete techniques, we will just insert the alphamantraining.com website, that story, what happened, but we'll definitely delete techniques in order to protect that our men, would not use all men same techniques, and that techniques would never work again. So in order to protect that, we would do that. Another guy sent report of when he seduced, 22 years old, bartender, a female who works, in a coffee shop. She's very sexy, because, she's meeting people and, she's working in that cafe. So she needs to look sexy. And that's awesome pictures, like awesome picture when you approach here, in the coffee, and also how you seduce here at the apartment. Awesome pictures. And definitely write the report and send to info@alphamantraining.com. And the next guy sent, picture of how he met, girl via online, how he took on the date and have seduced her. So nice pictures from how you met online, one picture, second picture how you met in a coffee and pulled back to your place. That's awesome, and congratulations. We hope that you will enter long-term relationship with her. So would be awesome. So yeah, there's no other option. Like, you need to invest into alphamantraining.com products, because otherwise you will be single, you will not find your wife, you will not create family, you will lack that experience with women, how to meet them, how to talk to them, how to seduce them. It's step by step. You need to read a book, how to become an alpha man, watch when to invest into pick up online training courses, learn most and others, how to approach one female walking, two female walking, how to deal with groups, step by step, because there's no other way. Our way is just, you will become homeless and a guy who will drink alcohol a lot, and you don't want to become that one guy. You want to have options. You want to have a skill to approach and seduce any girl you want. So that's the key, to do that. So definitely we recommend you to do that, and definitely, apply, learn from our products, take boot camps. We're doing on July boot camp. So contact us. Go to info@alphamantraining.com. info@alphamantraining.com, write letter. So it's awesome, and we wish you an amazing day and for your success with girls. It was alphamantraining.com. Links are below, definitely to invest.